Continuous delivery. Everyone's talking about it, but what is it? Continuous delivery is a software development mindset that enables building software in such a way that it can be deployed to production at any time through mindset changes and process automation. This new mindset will allow our organization to test new ideas in production at any time and modify them as new feedback comes in from our clients. Continuous delivery is a vast paradigm shift from our current approach to software development, but we have to start small in order to realistically achieve our goal. So what can you start doing today to start individually making an impact? Imagine a time as a UI developer where you had to wait on a mid-tier change because your mid-tier developer had other priorities to work on. This is what we call skill-based overhead, and it causes unnecessary wait times caused by the dependence on other teammates to finish work. Cross-scaling creates a more autonomous developer to wait less and do more by giving them the skills to work on any aspect of the project by themselves. So now that you're an autonomous developer who can deliver functionality faster because of your vast knowledge across the development lifecycle, it's time to focus on reducing some manual efforts by test automation. Manual testing takes a lot of time, whether it's done by SAT testers ensuring requirements are met or developers testing to make sure that their latest refactoring isn't breaking the build. We all have to do it. Writing comprehensive automated tests to reduce the cost of manual tests is integral to helping deliver software faster. Writing good automated tests isn't everything though, but it is a good start. The real benefit isn't actually from writing the automated tests, but rather reducing the amount of manual tests needed. This can only happen when our business has full confidence in the integrity of our automated test suite, which is not an easy task. We'll touch on this point when we're talking about shift left in a second. Now that you've started to make an impact at an individual level, let's look at ways you can help influence your team to enable continuous delivery. Remember when we mentioned that in order to reduce manual testing, we needed to prove the integrity of our automated tests? This is where the shift left mindset comes into play. New developer tools like Cucumber and changes in our software development process, like TDD, will help give the business confidence that our automated test suite can help eliminate monotonous manual tests. While working to increase the quality and confidence in your automated tests, your team should also start working on reducing your works in progress, or WIP. A lower WIP leads to higher team throughput because there is less context switching between open stories. In addition to less context switching, there will be better team communication, because when there are fewer stories on the storyboard, there will be more collaboration. One way to lower your team's WIP is by having a good cross-skilled team that can contribute in multiple ways. This further emphasizes the importance of the cross-scaling idea that we brought up earlier. Incorporating all of these ideas will help us improve our agile process so that we can manage our work in such a way that enables faster delivery of business functionality. All of the changes up to this point are extremely important, but none of these benefits can be seen without some of the product-level architectural changes that need to occur in conjunction with them. So if you're ready to start making an even bigger impact towards the continuous delivery initiative, try reaching out to your architecture team or Scrum of Scrums to get involved with some of the foundational product changes that need to occur. Things like improvements to continuous integration and elevation improvements are needed in order to continually automate our current process in order to reduce manual overhead. We all know the importance of modularity, but we need to expand our scope of modularity to the deployment level in order to create more autonomous project teams who can elevate without being bound to other project teams' releases. This is what we call creating independently deployable modules. So just remember, continuous delivery is all about reducing manual efforts with automation. So any improvements you can make to alleviate manual process is moving towards continuous delivery. Thank you again for taking the time to listen to this. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.
Created using Powtoon.